Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And we're going to have a look at the new magazine by Chloe, and this is volume 13. First of all, we're getting this gorgeous daisy 3 layering metal dies, and I just think they are adorable. Then we're getting this daisy A6 embossing folder. Then we're getting a 6x6 stencil. Absolutely love that. So pretty. And then finally we are getting the stamp set, and we get 31 stamps, and as you can see we've got some daisies here, we've got this beautiful design there, we've got some leaves, different types of flowers there, and then we've got some sentiments. So we've got congratulations, thinking of you always, thank you, with love on your special day, and you're simply the best, and happy birthday, and just to say. So really nice items that we're getting in this magazine. So as always, I'm going to flick through this magazine. I will fast forward some of the pages just so this video isn't too long. So majority of the samples in this magazine is using the free kit, and I personally love that because it gives you a lot more inspiration on how to use your kit. So it gives you inspiration on how to make cards, 3D projects, and yeah, I think that's what a magazine should be like, is using the kit and making samples throughout the magazine. So that's my personal preference. I don't know about you, but anyway, so the first page is telling you what's inside the box. So as you can see, it tells you the die, stamps, and what I've shown you already, but we're also getting papers and toppers as well, which is in the center of the magazine, and I'll show you that in just a second. So the first page is some samples from Chloe herself. This is called Flower Forming. So we have the Thankful Bunch card here, glittering flowers, and then we have this one, which I think is absolutely stunning. So beautiful samples there. So I'm going to fast forward because, like I said, majority of the samples are using the free kit. So I'm just going to fast forward so you can see the samples, and then when we get to the center with the papers, I will come back. To the toppers and paper. So here we have some beautiful toppers. So we have, I hope your day is full of love and laughter and everything good, just to say you are wonderful in every way. And then we've got thinking of you, grateful for you, with love, and special friend, and so on. And then we've got these tags at the bottom here with this gorgeous flower that you can cut out. And I believe it repeats it twice, so you should get 2 of each. Okay, look at that, gorgeous. Some more toppers, and we're also getting strips of like washi paper here, so absolutely beautiful. And they're nice, they're not too thin either, they're quite a nice thickness, because some of the free papers can be a bit too thin. So these feel good quality. So absolutely beautiful. Love that one. Love that one. And again, it will just repeat itself again. And then we've got some cards by the lovely Nikki Gilbert, and again she's used the stamp that is my favorite one out of the stamp set, and I just love it. So pretty. This month's issue from Chloe, and I really hope that you enjoyed this flick through. And as always, you can get your magazine from your local supermarket or WH Smith, or you can find the link in the description bar below, and it will take you straight to the magazine over at Craft Stash. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.